Welcome, here I've got OPPO A74 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermarks at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the first place we have the watermarks option, so let's tap on it. And now we can see 3 types of watermarks: the phone model, date and time, and the location. By using these buttons from the right, we can easily turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of these, 2 or 3 at the same time. So this is how to use this. You can pick whatever you need, and when we tap, for example, on phone model, we get access to more options about this kind of watermark. Here we have connected the custom one, so let's pick it. Now we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here HardReset. And save it here. We can also decide to add this only to photos or only to videos or both, so also by using these buttons from the right we can manage it. And when we go back to this view and pick the date and time, we can also see here these settings to add this only to photos or to the videos, and the same thing happens in the location, so we can manage each of these watermarks here. And now let me keep turning it on all of this. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see these watermarks at the real one. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our picture with watermarks in the left corner at the bottom, so let's get closer to them. And we have OPPO A74 5G watermark, device one with HardReset, the custom one, and in the second line we have the date, time, and the location. And of course, when we don't need them or need another combination of the watermarks, we have to go back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, pick the watermarks and use this as we need, or just turn them off. So for now, when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.